Hello everyone, welcome to the Fast Learning Education Group. Today our topic is Adobe Reader Important Features in English. Hindi version is already uploaded. You can see other video. Today we will cover following topic, that is add signature. How can we add signature in Adobe Reader? How to use comments on PDF file? How to use drawing tools on PDF. Now let's see one example. I have a one form. So let's see. First of all, go to tools menu, tools tab. Now there is option fill and sign. Click on fill and sign. Now you can see there is a lot of option, and click on sign option. You can see there is already signature away. Now I'm deleting this and add again. You can use three type signature in PDF. First, you can type your name. You can change style. Second one, draw. You can draw your signature cell. Third one, image. You can upload your image signature. I selected my image signature and here I uploaded it. Now you can see in sign option there is Ritik signature already. So signature is appear. Now I have pasted here. You can use multiple time. It is a one time activity. You don't need to add again and again. Now go to AV option. Now go to AV option to write some text in PDF file. You can type accordingly too. Now also you can use cross, symbol, dot, tick option. I will use tick, cross option. For shapes, then again go to tools menu, select comment option. Here you can see many options. Just select shapes option. Here there are a lot of option. There is a rectangle, arrow, line. So suppose you need rectangle, just select rectangle option and draw. You want to type some text inside this, just select text option and you can type here. There is also many options. There is like a arrow. You can draw. So it is most useful features to daily use in PDF. That's all for today.